Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today I'll be doing a disassembly video of a lock that I've already picked. I did turn this one into a rattle, so if you're not familiar, if you over rotate the cylinder here when you're picking it past here, all of the pins fall out and it basically locks the lock up. So I did do that on accident, not paying attention. So I did salvage this in some way by going ahead and taking it apart. So all I did was I took a Dremel and removed all of the material around the edges, and then popped it open, and then held it back together with a rubber band. So I'll save y'all the time of me picking this, but if you would like to see that, I will put an attachment above that shows, or a link above that shows where to see that video. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and separate this here. And so you can see the retaining features that keep the lock locked, the lock cylinder, and the rotating part that allows the balls to rotate out of place. So I will start by removing this clip. For that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. So catch that. And I'll rotate this using the key slightly at an angle and insert my my follower here. There it goes. Now I will say that I did mess one of the springs up, so when we get to that part, you'll see a non-standard spring, but I will go ahead and point that out when it gets to there. All right, so I'll remove the key, set that aside, and then show what's inside. So pin 1 here, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. Nope, that's pin 4. Go ahead. There's pin 3, did pin 4, and then see if we can get 5 out. 5, 6. So this is a 6-pin lock, and all 6 pins are used. So I'll go ahead and clean this up a little bit. And I'll show you what's inside the top. All right. Here we go. Pin 1. So this is a spool pin. Pin 1. Pin 2 is a spool pin. Pin 3 is serrated. Pin 4 is a spool pin. Five is a spool pin. And 6 is also a spool pin. So now I'll dump the springs out, and you'll see one of these springs is not like the others. So for me, I just moved that to the back. So it's just a spring I had, but it's still very pickable. Just changes the feel ever so slightly. So go ahead, lay this out, and then I'll show you what I got. So again, pin 1 with a spool, pin 2 with a spool, pin 3 was serrated, 4, 5, and 6 were all spool pins as well. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time.